Yeah, good morning, students. So now our next topic is types of accounting information. Now, firstly, we have to understand what is accounting information. The information provided by accounting. Now, which type of information? Whatever the data we are collecting, whatever the journal entries, whatever the transactions, through this, whatever the information we are collecting, and we are putting this information under bookkeeping or ledger or trial balance. In short, I'll say that whatever the transactions happening throughout the year, that transactions we are recording. Whatever we recorded, that is information. Now, with this information, how we will classify that this information is divided into how many parts? Now, this is our topic for today. Now, see, types of accounting information. We are dividing this information in three categories. That is, first one, information related to P&L. Second one, information related with the financial position. And the third one, information related with the cash flow. Now we are going to deal one by one. First one, if anyone is going to start a business, the main objective is to understand, to find that how much profit we are earning in this year or how much loss we have to bear in this year, right? The concept is, suppose we are doing any business. Suppose we did a business for 1 year, right? So in that year, we have to know that we earned a profit or we beared a loss. Got the point? So profit and loss is a very important aspect for any businessman. So this information is very, very necessary in order to operate our business. Now see the second one, information related to financial position. We all know that if we want to understand the financial position of a business, we have to see the position of assets and liabilities. Already in the previous YouTube videos, we have discussed what is the assets, what are the liabilities. Once again, some basic idea I am giving in this, that assets means those items through which we are going to get some sort of benefit, or those items which are very helpful in a normal production of a business. For example, land and building, furniture and fixtures, motor vehicles, cash, stock, all these are assets. In short, what we are saying, that with these items we are going to get some sort of benefit. Then what is liabilities? Liabilities means we are liable to pay. Liable to pay means, suppose we purchased something, right? We don't have enough money to pay to that person at that particular moment. So what we will do? We'll say to that person that we'll pay later. As we are saying that we'll pay later, that means we are liable to pay to that person after some time. That is the liability. So financial position means the position of your assets and liabilities. With this accounting information, we will easily identify the position at the end of the year, the position of your assets and the position of your liabilities. Now the third point, information about cash flow. Cash. Cash means what? Whatever the currency we are having with ourselves, either in hand or at your bank. Means cash in hand and cash at bank. This cash includes cash in hand and cash at bank. In your business, whatever the cash is there, that is your cash in hand, and whatever the amount is deposited in your bank, that is cash at bank. When we are talking about cash, that means cash in hand plus cash at bank. Now flow. What do you mean by flow? We all know that flow is of two types only, the inflow and outflow. Inflow means the cash is coming. Outflow means the cash is going out. So with this accounting information, easily we will identify the flow of cash. Clear? How much cash is coming into our business throughout this year and how much cash we have paid out in this year. Clear? This topic is a very simple topic, right? So we are not going to give that much time on this topic. Now this point is clear that accounting information provides the profit and loss account, the financial position of your business, the position of assets and liabilities, and the position of cash flow. Hope this topic is very clear to all the students. Thank you.